Today, I'm going to be demoing a cool new feature from a plugin previously shown on this channel called Chwazi. If you don't know what Chwazi is, then simply put, it's a plugin that allows you to add date and time picker options to your store's checkout. This new feature called Conditional Products by the Chwazi team now allows you to control which products show on the store based on conditions such as day of the week, time of day, product category and/or product tag, and product name. I think some may find this feature useful, so let's get right into it. Now first things first, the plugin I'm gonna use today is called Chwazi, this one here. It's an awesome tool if you want to set up deliveries and pickups on your site, maybe for restaurants or any other products you would like to be delivered or picked up. I have made a full separate video about all the settings and setups. I'm gonna put the link to it in the video description. Also, I'm gonna put the link to the plugin in the video description. Now when the plugin has been installed, you'll see there is a Soaring Leads, Chwazi, Delivery and Pickup Scheduling plugin here. I'm gonna briefly show you what are the settings. First, whether to enable the plugin. You can select the field's display location. I like the billing address area top. That is, I would like my user to select between pickup or delivery here on the checkout page first. But you can also set to any other area here. What I would like to point out and what is important, select your time zone. Otherwise, if your time zone is wrong, then the system may have a hiccup. Email settings for you. Next, you can select the fulfillment types. Select your type, whether it's a switch or buttons. Let's take a look at the buttons. Let's refresh. So this is the button type. I like switch more, therefore I'm gonna leave it as this. Default fulfillment type, where to enable the delivery features and pickup features. Show a fulfillment type selection modal. I'm gonna select yes, save, and now I'm gonna show you what it does. Let's open the site in private view, and now when I land on the page, you'll see it says choose your fulfillment type, whether the pickup or delivery. I'm gonna select the delivery, and now when I add something to the cart and go to the checkout page, you'll see that the delivery is chosen for me. But I'm gonna close it down and open up one more time the page in a private view. Now when I select the pickup and add something to the cart, now when I go to the checkout, you'll see that the pickup is selected for me. If you take a look at the fulfillment type modal settings, you'll see that you can select whether to display it site-wise. If you don't choose it, then you can select the pages where you would like to display the modal. Also, if you would like to reverse the orders of the pickup and delivery options in modal, then activate this option. This setting enables the option to automatically close the confirmation dialog after a set of period, and you can set the duration here. And also you can enable and disable the progress bar. So this is the show a fulfillment type selection modal. It's a nice and a nifty feature. What also is a nifty feature is a show only applicable shipping methods, this one here. Next, as you see on my checkout page, I have a date and time selection available. Setting this up is easy, just enable the date selection, select available delivery days. Next, delivery time, enable it here, scroll down and add your time slots. For example, let's add another time slot from 15 to 16. I'm gonna delete this one here, it seems faulty. Also, I'm the lazy one here, therefore I'm gonna delete all other days like this. And these are my time slots. I'm gonna duplicate them 5 times. So I have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, all with the same time slots, but you can set the different time slots. You can also duplicate them here. Save and done. Before I proceed, I have a quick favor to ask. Give this video a like, and I'll give you a virtual cookie with 0 calories. You can also set up the same thing for pickups. pickup date, pickup time, notes, capacity, and so on. You can also activate user role based delivery or pickup. Just select the user roles here. Email settings, Google Calendar settings, and now the most interesting part for me, conditional products. Once again, this is my catalog here. All the products are available every day and 24/7. But I'm gonna enable the conditional products feature and now add product visibility rules. I'm gonna add a new rule and select whether the occurrence is recurring or one time. Let's set up the recurring rule, and it's gonna run on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. These are my daily offers. I offer these foods only between 11 a.m. and 4 p.m. I'm gonna apply the rule to both fulfillment types, but I can also select whether it applies only to delivery or pickup orders. Rule type is whether it's for all categories or specific products. Next, I can select whether to show only the following products or hide the following products. Now, I remember today is Tuesday, so let's switch Wednesday for Tuesday instead. Now, I'm gonna hide the following products. For example, I don't offer Caesar salad today, and I don't offer family feast bundle today. Therefore, I'm gonna look for Caesar salad and family feast bundle. What's gonna happen now? Since it's Tuesday today, I'm gonna hide Caesar salad and family feast. All other products will be visible. So let's save, let's refresh. And what do you know? No Caesar salad and no family bundle. I can add a new rule that is on Wednesdays and Thursdays, I don't offer pickups for onion rings, for example. Let's select onion rings, and I'm gonna hide the following products if onion rings are added to the cart. To demo it, I'm gonna also select Tuesday. Let's save it. Now I'm gonna open up my shop once again. I'm gonna refresh. And as you see, it shows products only available for delivery. If I scroll down, you'll see onion rings are available. It's because this rule applies only to pickup orders. Now when I scroll up and change it to pickup, it saves and refreshes. Now when I scroll down, you'll see onion rings are hidden. When I change it back to the delivery, once again it refreshes and onion rings are back. So with the help of this rule, you can add even more comprehensive delivery rules to your site. Now, before I wrap up, there is one more rule I would like to show you. So let's add new rule, and this time let's select one time. It's date from next Monday until next Sunday. It will override all rules, and it works between 10 a.m. until 4 p.m. I'm gonna apply this rule to all orders, and this time I'm gonna select product category or tag. As you see, there is a rule relationship option. Whether it's and or rule, I'm gonna select and relationship. So show only products that are in these categories. That is desserts and sides. As you see, I can also add tags, but since I don't have any tags on my site, this time I'm not gonna do that. So this way you can select which type of rule you add here. So save and done. Nothing else to configure here. This new conditional products module the Chwazi has is really cool and useful if you're a restaurant owner and you offer deliveries. Now, as you saw, setting up this plugin is really easy. Therefore, if you need to access it, then take a look at the description of this video. There is a link to this Chwazi website. Also, earlier I mentioned that I have made a separate video about how to set up delivery and pickup dates and time picker for your WooCommerce website. This video is on the screen right now, so be sure to take a look at it next. In the meantime, take care.